Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a timeline chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to make a timeline chart in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click Chart option. Now we can see here many charts. We click the line chart. Then select a line on this chart. Then click OK. Now we can see here we insert a chart. Then rename the chart title Timeline Chart. Then go to the data table and change the data or the legend. You can change the category or series. Otherwise, you can apply another effect on this chart. Click the chart and go to the design menu. Then click chart style option and choose another style. Otherwise, you can change the chart color and set the quick layout. Now we can see here we make a timeline chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.